Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Embark on a journey into the world of drilling and cutting operations with the Camrock DMW 220 and Camrock KSI 12000. These cutting-edge machines redefine precision and efficiency in these critical tasks. Advanced engineering and technology ensure seamless drilling and cutting in various industrial and construction applications. From mining operations deep underground to precision work on construction sites, these equipment combinations play a crucial role in optimizing drilling and cutting processes, supporting a wide range of industries. Share your experience or thoughts on the innovative Camrock DMW 220 and Camrock KSI 12000 as they simplify the drilling and cutting process. Explore the intricate world of fiber optic installation with the Fockersberger FSP6. This highly specialized equipment is at the forefront of precision and efficiency when it comes to deploying fiber optic networks. Its cutting-edge technology and expert engineering enable the seamless installation of high-speed internet and communication infrastructure. From densely populated urban areas to the remotest regions, the Fockersberger FSP6 plays a pivotal role in connecting communities and advancing digital connectivity. This technology supports the modernization of communication systems, paving the way for faster and more reliable internet access and communication services. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Delve into the world of roadside cleaning, a crucial operation that keeps our roadways safe and beautiful. This essential process involves the meticulous removal of debris, litter, and overgrown vegetation from roadsides. By employing advanced machinery and skilled personnel, roadside cleaning enhances road safety and contributes to the overall aesthetics of our communities. From urban streets to rural highways, explore the methods and technologies that drive this vital service, ensuring cleaner and safer roads for everyone. Enter the meticulous world of tree branch removal with the GreenTech LRS 2002. This advanced machine has been designed to redefine precision and efficiency when it comes to tree branch cutting. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and designed by experts, it ensures that branches are removed from trees in a smooth and safe manner. Whether it is tree maintenance in urban parks, land clearing for development, or forestry work in dense forests, the GreenTech LRS 2002 plays a key role in improving safety, aesthetics, and overall land management. Experience the world of asphalt laying with the help of equipment like Bobcat, Schaffer, and the Amman AFW 350. This crucial process blends precision and efficiency to create smooth and durable road surfaces. Advanced machinery and skilled operators ensure that asphalt is laid evenly and effectively, whether for road construction, repairs, or resurfacing projects. From highways to local streets, asphalt laying plays a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing our infrastructure for safer and smoother travel. Immerse yourself in the world of wind turbine transportation. This complex process involves moving massive wind turbine components from manufacturing facilities to wind farm sites. Specialized equipment such as heavy trucks and conveyors ensures the safe and efficient delivery of these colossal structures. From rolling hills to remote landscapes, transporting wind turbines is a critical step in harnessing renewable energy. See for yourself how precision, engineering, and logistics come together to make sustainable power generation a reality. Explore the world of rock picking with the Triginer DSR-4. This essential process combines precision and efficiency in the removal of rocks from field and farmlands. The Triginer DSR-4 employs advanced technology and expert engineering to ensure the seamless extraction of rocks, allowing for smoother cultivation and planting. From agricultural landscapes to construction sites, this machine plays a pivotal role in optimizing land usability and productivity. Are you related to agriculture in any way, or have you seen the picking rock technology with your own eyes? Write in the comments below the video. It will be interesting to read. Experience the vital task of field plowing with the Kvernland PG7 Vario and Fend A28. This essential agricultural process involves meticulously breaking and turning the soil to create a fertile seabed. The Kvernland PG7 Vario and Fend A28 lead the way by expertly blending precision and power. Their cutting-edge technology and engineering ensure not only efficient plowing, but also the preservation of soil structure and health. Whether on small family farms or expansive agricultural estates, these machines play a pivotal role in enhancing soil fertility, fostering optimal crop growth, and ultimately contributing to bountiful harvests. Delve into the efficient process of silage cutting with the Josh Deere 6A10 and Massey Ferguson A250. These agricultural machines excel at harvesting and preserving forage crops for livestock feed. Utilizing cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, they ensure the precise and optimal cutting of silage, contributing to reduced waste and the production of high-quality animal feed. From dairy farms to livestock operations, these machines are essential for supporting healthy and productive herds. Intrigued by silage cutting technology? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Explore the fascinating world of iron barrel production, a process that seamlessly combines precision and efficiency. This intricate manufacturing operation involves transforming materials into durable iron barrels used in various industries. State-of-the-art technology and expert engineering ensure the seamless creation of these essential containers, serving purposes ranging from storage to transport. From industrial facilities to logistics hubs, iron barrel production plays a pivotal role in supporting diverse applications while adhering to stringent quality standards. Immerse yourself in the world of stone crushing with the Roby MM154. This critical process involves precision and efficiency to break down large stones into smaller, usable aggregates. The Roby MM154 employs cutting-edge technology and expert engineering, ensuring the seamless transformation of hard rocks into valuable construction materials. From quarries to construction sites, this machine plays a pivotal role in supporting essential building materials, contributing to infrastructure project success and the construction industry's advancement. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Discover the world of waste collection, an indispensable process that significantly improves the cleanliness and hygiene of our communities. This vital operation combines accuracy and efficiency to systematically collect and dispose of waste, ensuring a healthier and more sustainable environment. From urban neighborhoods to remote areas, garbage collection plays a key role in maintaining sanitary standards, reducing pollution, and contributing to the overall well-being of society. Think about the intricacies of this important task and its broad implications for creating a cleaner, more livable space for all of us. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!